Hey Tech fam, welcome back to Top Tech Gossip with Sana. This is episode 4. And if you've been keeping up, you already know today's about to be wild. Remember when we talked about 𝗪𝗂''AI in episode 1 and how digital twins are transforming enterprise infrastructure? Or in episode 3 when Sam broke down LLMs, GPTs, and real-time AI conversations? Well, today we're connecting all of that to what NVIDIA just dropped at GTC 2025. And trust me, it's not just impressive, it's transformative. And yes, we've got the man himself back, Sam, technical lead, AI/ML at 𝗪𝗂''. Welcome back.
Hey Sana, super pumped to be here again, especially after that GTC madness.
Let's start where the buzz is loudest, Blackwell GPUs. Last time, we talked about how you train large models at 𝗪𝗂''. How does Blackwell change the game?
It's a leap. Blackwell is designed to handle LLMs at trillion-plus parameter scale with less energy and faster inference. Remember when we spoke about GPTs and the infra overhead behind them? Blackwell is tackling exactly that, making real-time AI cheaper and faster. We're planning early testing at 𝗪𝗂'', for LLM training and inferencing workloads.
That's so aligned. In episode 3, you said deploying LLMs in production is where the real challenge lies. But now NVIDIA is releasing NIMs, inference microservices. Game changer?
Absolutely. Think of NIMs as AI Lego blocks, fully optimized containers for inference. Whether it's Llama 3 or Mixtral, you just pull the NIM and go. No need to worry about CUDA versions, drivers, or memory constraints. That's big for teams like ours. What used to take weeks now takes hours.
So it's DevOps for AI now? That makes me think of what you said in our 𝗪𝗂''AI episode. How companies need flexible AI stacks. This feels like NVIDIA just handed over the blueprint.
Exactly. It's no longer about cobbling models and frameworks together. NVIDIA's building the Apple ecosystem for AI devs. Seamless integration from chip to model deployment.
Okay, let's shift gears to something we touched on back in episode 1, digital twins. GTC 2025 really went deep here with Omniverse Cloud APIs. What did you think?
It's next level. With Omniverse APIs, we're now seeing live synced industrial simulations, factories, smart cities, robots, all pulling sensor data in real time. It's no longer static models. Like I said earlier, at 𝗪𝗂'', we're now simulating data center workloads before we physically deploy them.
That's so full circle from episode 1. You'd mentioned how simulation-first approaches could save millions in infrastructure. Omniverse is basically giving you the canvas to paint that vision.
Exactly. And when paired with generative AI, imagine AI optimizing digital twin simulations dynamically. That's what we're working toward.
Okay, final buzzword, AI agents. In the conversational AI episode, we discussed chatbots, voice, and real-time interaction. But now, NVIDIA is showing agents doing autonomous actions. Where's this headed?
We're moving from chatbots to dobots. NVIDIA showed AI agents that can interact with APIs, test software, manage cloud resources, not just talk, but take meaningful action. We're prototyping internal tools at 𝗪𝗂'' that let agents resolve support tickets, optimize server loads, even audit logs autonomously.
What? So we're no longer talking to AI, we're delegating to it.
That's the future. And NVIDIA's building the stack to get us there faster than anyone else.
Love how it all ties back. From Blackwell handling LLMs, to NIMs simplifying deployment, to Omniverse and real-world AI agents, it's like each episode of ours was a puzzle piece, and GTC just clicked them together. Sam, as always, you delivered. Thank you.
Always great to be on, Sana. Can't wait for what's next.
All right, Tech Farm, that's a wrap for episode 4. If this convo made your brain buzz with excitement, Go listen to episodes 1 to 3 again, and you'll see just how far we've come in just a few weeks. Until next time, stay curious, stay caffeinated, and remember, the future's already here. It's just not evenly distributed yet.